Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announced that the state is expected to attract rupees 8,000 crore in private investment, aiming to achieve a $10 billion US economy. Speaking at the Human Development Leadership Program in Tura today, Sangma credited the new industrial policy for creating an investor-friendly environment. Over the past year, rupees 4,000 crore has been invested, including a rupees 2,500 crore thermal power plant, an ethanol plant and luxury hotels. The state is also enhancing IT connectivity by collaborating with Malaysian and Bangladeshi telecom firms to lay submarine cable lines. New hotel projects in Shillong, Sora, Umyam and Tura are expected to boost business and job opportunities, he added. Sangma also highlighted the success of the Shillong IT Park, which has created over 3,000 jobs, and announced its expansion with a new 3,000-seater facility. He noted that companies are now considering Meghalaya due to its skilled workforce and strong work ethics.
We are right now in talks with the Malaysian telecom as well as the Bangladesh telecom to get the optical fibers, the submarine cables from Chittagong to Shillong. Now once that happens, we will have one of the strongest backbones in terms of our optical fiber connectivity. We should spend money in such a manner that we are able to actually give benefit and economic livelihood, economic opportunities and economic benefits to the people of our state. So we decided that when we're going to go for 10 billion, what do people get? So I sat with my team and I told them, look, water has to be one, housing has to be one, power has to be one, road connectivity has to be one, and IT connectivity has to be number one, apart from other social aspects. So we put that as, in the top 5 guarantees that we are trying to work towards. And again, very, very detailed programs going on in each one of them. So like that, we are working on these guarantees to ensure that everybody will benefit from this $10 billion target. It's not just an economic target for the sake of giving speech, it is meant to actually make a real difference. So like that, and all these aspects will have so many things happen. All are international processes, running from Europe or US or some other part of the world. We have 1,500 people who are directly employed there, and close to about 3,000 people who are indirectly employed. We have already started the construction of the second phase of the IT hub, which is going to be a 3,000-seater. And we already have got applications for all the seats out there. Why? Because people from other parts of the world somehow like the people of Meghalaya in terms of the kind of capacity we have, the care we have, the kind of work ethics that we have. And these companies are now shifting their base from Bangalore, Hyderabad and coming to Shillong now. So I realized that why should it be only Shillong centric? What about Tura? What about Dubai? So now we have 100 plus crores, I don't remember exact amount, but 100 plus crore IT park coming in Tura. I said finish the 5-star hotels that are pending in Shillong immediately. Of course from tourism point of view and from IT point of view. And now we have 4 more hotels in the pipeline that are going to be starting this year. So we will have, sadly Tura is not going to have that 5-star yet, but we are looking at a 3-star immediately. But we will be having another 4 5-star hotels, 3 of them in Shillong. Well, technically 2 in Shillong, 1 in Barapali and Umyam that is, and 1 in Cherrapunji. These are real big brands.